ang bagong tambayan ng kabataang Pinoy.
We're your hosts. I'm Brad.
I'm Bobby.
And now, Nico.
And for today's show,
Para sa ating idol kabataan, bibisita tayo sa isang orphanage kung saan nagbibigay tayo ng saya't mga ngiti sa mga batang naroroon.
at para sa yakang yaka, ipagluluto natin ng chop suey ang mga batang ito at magsasalo-salo tayo kasama sila.
Let's also have fun, sing and dance with the songs of the yesteryears in Jam Break.
And of course, don't forget to watch another original music video from our band, C Major 7.
Mag-field trip tayo sa orphanage, ha?
Oo nga, kaya dyan lang kayo.
And find out how amazing being young can be.
Whoa!
Idol kabataan, sa iyong kamay ang kinabukasan. Idol kabataan, sa iyong kamay ang kinabukasan. Sa'yo kami umaasang bayan mo. Palagi ng iyong sarili, pag-ibig sa puso. Limutin na ang iyong pangamba, pagkat nariyan ang Diyos lagi sinasamahan ka. Sa iyong sigla, kaming nagkataon pag-asa.
For Idol Kabataan, we went to an orphanage with the hope of bringing joy and help to children. And we brought food, musical instruments, and some basic things that we can create, music with. We didn't expect what would happen when we went in. We were very nervous. We didn't know how we will handle these children or how to approach them. But there was a surprise waiting inside that orphanage, and it is very heartwarming when we went in.
Nakakatuwa nung pagdating namin dun sa orphanage kasi nung pagkarating namin sa gate, sinalubong kami ng mga bata. Tapos lahat sila nagmamano sa amin. So lahat sila nakapalibot sa amin. Tapos parang kami yung mga tito at tita na dumadating pag Christmas, nagmamano sila ganun sa amin. Tapos, may isa pa dong grupo sa loob ng foundation. Nagro-rondalya sila. Parang yun yung welcoming gesture nila sa amin. Ang galing nila tumugtog.
Idol kabataan, sa iyong kamay ang kinabukasan. Sa'yo kami umaasang bayan mo. Palagi ng iyong
Sobrang natuwa kami nila Brad at ni Nico dahil ang hilig pala ng mga batang to sa music. So yung ginawa ni Brad, nagturo siya ng isang African folk song.
May kanta tayo na galing Africa. Ang pangalan nun ay Duwe Duwe. Pakisabi nga. Duwe Duwe! Ano sa tingin nyo ibig sabihin ng Duwe Duwe? Okay. Kasi mahilig din sila maglaro at tumakbo sa Africa. At minsan naglolokohan ng mga bata doon. Pero, ito, ibig sabihin ito, pasensya na, pasensya na. Di na pa kita, pasensya na.
Tapos yung nakakatuwa pa dun, meron silang mga bote ng mineral water na nakatabi lang. Tapos, pinakuha ni Brad yung mga yun. Tapos ginawa nila siyang musical instruments habang china-chant nila yung African folk song na tinuro ni Brad. Ang sarap pakinggan, tapos ang sarap nila panoorin. Ako, audience lang ako nun eh. Pero nakakatuwa talaga yung mga bata kasi ang bilis nilang natutunan yung kanta. Tapos, enjoy na enjoy silang gawing drums yung mga mineral water bottles. Tapos kumuha pa sila ng kutsara. Tapos ginawa rin nilang musical instruments. So yung bonding na to, through music, ang sarap ng feeling kasi mahilig nga kami nila Brad at ni Nico sa music. Kaya masaya kami na nakapaghandog kami ng musika sa kanila.
Idol kabataan, sa'yo'y kamay ang kinabukasan. Idol kabataan, sa'yo'y kamay ang kinabukasan. Sa iyong sigla, kami nagkatatagpon ng pag-asa.
Ang nagharing damdamin sa akin nung kasama ko yung mga bata ay yung pagkalambot ng aking puso. Hindi ko inaasahan na sa simpleng mga bagay na naibigay namin, na nagawa namin, magiging masaya sila. So sila yung naging patunay na ang kasiyahan hindi makukuha sa mga malalaking bagay. Makukuha mo to kahit sa mga pinakasimpleng bagay. So, tumaba talaga yung puso ko.
Grabe ang saya. Nagtugtugan kami, nagjamming, tapos kumain ng marami. Sarap ng chop suey. Pero, nung oras na kailangan na naming umalis, ay grabe nalungkot ako. Ayoko talaga iwan parang mga kapatid ko sila na mga maliliit. But, they smiled to us and assured us that it was alright for us to go and that we will still communicate in different ways such as internet. And that experience with them, with other children, it is something you will not forget. It is something that you will bring as you journey through life, that you are able to meet these kids full of hope. And that hope is now being shared with us here in YMI. So thank you. Thank you, children, for spending your time with us.
Idol kabataan, sa'yo'y kamay ang kinabukasan. Idol kabataan, sa'yo'y kamay ang kinabukasan. Idol kabataan, sa'yo'y kamay ang kinabukasan. Idol kabataan, idol kabataan, sa'yo'y kamay ang kinabukasan. Idol kabataan, sa'yo'y kamay ang kinabukasan.
If you know a young person who is 13 to 26 years of age and is engaged in community service, contact us at ymi.idolkabataan@gmail.com or cm7mvp@gmail.com so we can share and be inspired by this individual's service and experience and include him or her in our Idol Kabataan segment.
What are you smiling about?
I was finally able to talk to her.
Who?
Her. Her?
That girl. Oh, you mean her? Oh, come on.
I know, right? And I was able to get her number too.
Would you mind to share your blessings, bro?
No way, she's mine.
Oh, come on, please. No.
Hey boys! You're not talking about that silly girl again, are you? I mean, what's so special about her?
A lot of things.
Those words that everyone knows. My thoughts get mangled, and all the words get tangled. But since you asked me, well, here goes.
She's
Awful good to look at, awful nice to be with, awful sweet to have and hold.
She's nothing.
Nothing if not lovely, nothing if not dazzling, nothing but you gold.
But she's frightening.
Frightening me when she said that she might go away.
She's boring.
Pouring into my heart to stay.
She's cheap, dear.
Cheap at any price, dear. Cheap for such a diamond. Cheap for such a pearl. What I said before, I'll say it again. She's awful. Awful nice to be my girl.
She's old, bro. Yeah.
Worldly wisdom.
Oh, just like your mother.
Oh, you mean trustworthy and mature.
She's so
So kinda charming. So kinda witty. So I can't explain.
I can't stand her.
I can stand her giving some fellow the eye.
I can't stand her.
In the arms of another guy.
Who needs her?
Need her to distraction. Need her oh this crazy. Need her rain or shine. I'm the one who needs her, and I think she's awful. Awful nice to say she's mine.
Yakang-yaka mo yan! Hey guys! Welcome to this segment of Yakang Yaka. It's me, Bobby, and I'm gonna be cooking for these children over here. Say hi, guys! Hi! Oh guys, kumakain ba kayo ng gulay? Mabuti naman, kasi ngayon magluluto ako ng napakasarap na chop suey. Gusto nyo ba yun? Okay, so first, I'm gonna show you the ingredients that we will need for the chop suey. So, una-una, ang chop suey kasi, gisa yung pinaka-basic niya. So, yung mga basic ingredients ng pagigisa ay oil, cooking oil, garlic, onion, tas yun lang. Kung gusto nyo maglagay ng kamatis, okay lang din. I use 1 whole garlic and 2 white onions, big ones. And yung oil, pwede nyong itansya kung gaano karami. The kids here are about 30, so I'm gonna cook a lot of chop suey today. So also, we're gonna need some meat. So this is liempo. I boiled it earlier, and I chopped it before boiling. Also, I'm gonna need carrots. I chopped this earlier also. I used 4 carrots. 4 pieces of sayote that I chopped into small pieces as well. Also, pechay bagyo. As you can see, I separated the softer part of the pechay bagyo. This is the harder part that can be found at the end of the pechay bagyo, okay? So, it's the white part. See? I'm also gonna need bell peppers. I use green and red bell peppers. They are about 4 pieces, okay? I'm also gonna use cabbage. This is 1 whole big cabbage. And of course, the pechay bagyo that I showed you earlier. Okay? But of course, guys, you have to remember that before cooking these ingredients, you have to wash them first because you don't want seeing little creatures crawling in your vegetables, right? Okay, so I'm gonna start now. I'm gonna turn on my stove into the highest heat. And I'm gonna wait for the pan to heat up. So it's best if you put it in the highest heat because chop suey is it cooks easily. Guys, alam nyo, yung mga batang to, bilib na bilib silang kaya nyo tong gawin. Yakang-yaka nyo tong gawin yung chop suey na to. Napakadali lang. Di ba, guys? Yeah! Yakang-yakan! Okay. So, I think it's heating up nicely. So, I'm gonna put my oil now. You also have to make sure that the pan, or yung tawag dito, kawali, you have to make sure that it's not wet so that the oil wouldn't splatter all over. So I'm gonna put my garlic and just saute a bit. Wait for it to become a little brown. Can you smell that, guys? Oh, that smells wonderful! Okay, now it browned up. So I'm gonna put my onions, 2 white onions. Make sure you saute it really well because you don't want the garlic and the onions to stick in the pan or the wok. Okay. So wait for the onions to become a little translucent. We're gonna put our meat, the liempo that we boiled. Sarap! And now, we're gonna put the carrots. Carrots are good for your eyesight. So guys, kung gusto nyong luminaw yung mga mata nyo, kumain kayo ng maraming carrots. Next, the sayote. Dami nito ah. Ubusin niyo to ah. Masarap to. And the end part, the white part of our pechay bagyo. Just stir it up a little bit. And now we're gonna need water. So the amount of water depends on the amount of vegetables you have. You just have to cover it up a little bit. And I put the carrots, the sayote, and the white part of the pechay bagyo first before these ingredients because they take longer to cook. And now it's time to put some condiments and some spices. So I'm gonna put about 1 tablespoon of salt. Also, soy sauce to measure the soy sauce. Okay. Mamaya, titimplahan pa natin to. And let the vegetables and the meat boil. Ayun guys, luto na yung carrots natin, yung sayote, tsaka yung pechay bagyo natin. Para malaman nyo kung luto na, tingnan nyo kung medyo malambot na yung carrots. So, i-testing nyo lang. Pwede nyo i-pierce yung sandok nyo sa carrot. So, medyo malambot na nga siya. Now, it's time for us to add in the rest of our vegetables. So, madali lang to. Lalagay lang natin lahat. Bell pepper, the cabbage. Buti na lang malaki yung wok. Sarap magluto. Tapos yung pechay baga natin. So, hahaluin natin siya. Oh my gosh, ang hirap nito haluin. Teka lang. Kailangan natin ng pot holder. So, yung mga nasa ilalim, haluin nyo lang. Para yung mga vegetables na kakalagay lang natin, maluto din sila. Okay. Magkakamasil kayo dito. Ngayon guys, kailangan na natin siya tikman. Para tingnan natin kung tama lang yung timpla niya. So, pag magtitigil kayo ng niluluto nyo, huwag nyo gamitin yung sandok, okay? Kailangan may sarili kayong spoon. Man natin. Sabaw. Okay na rin, pero kailangan pa natin mag-add ng iba pang ingredients. So, para mas masarap siya, I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of sugar. And I'm gonna add maybe 1 more tablespoon of salt. Tas onti pang toyo. So, use your sandok. Tas haluin natin ulit. Ang alam ko ibig sabihin kasi ng chop suey, different ingredients mixed together. So that's what we are exactly doing right now. Napakadali lang nito lutuin. Kaya yakang-yaka nyo to. Ayun guys, luto na yung chop suey natin. Mga bata, gutom na ba kayo? Yan, excited na rin ako i-serve to sa inyo. Guys, tandaan nyo, pwedeng-pwede tayong magluto para sa mga friends natin, lalo na sa mga communities na kailangan natin tulungan. Tapos yung mga party, pwede rin tayo magluto para doon. Yung chop suey, sobrang dali lang yan lutuin. Kailangan mo lang ng mga iba't ibang gulay, tapos konting meat. Yakang-yaka nyo to gawin. Kaya tandaan nyo, ang marunong sa bahay, marunong sa buhay. Magpaturo ka lang, yakang-yaka nyo yan.
With a heart and mind to help at home, we do not need to be experts to do chores and make our family happy. You're about to see an original Filipino music video by C Major 7, Brad, Bobby, Nico, Maan, Maurice, C Major 7, the new band rising.
Ang mata'y papikit sa iyong bisig, ako'y nakakapit, habang sa puso ko may nabubuong isang awit. Awit na mataimtim, kasing tahimik ng hangin. Awit na nagpapagaan ng damdamin. mayroong sigla, kaya't hahaplusin at sabay mong sasabihin. Teka lang, wag ka munang mag-isip sa aking balikat, sumandal at umidlip. Teka lang, ibabhalot ka sa yakap ko, huminga ng sandali, dito ka sa aking tabi. Naglalakad sa ilalim ng langit na makulimlim, ang mga ulap ay dumidilim. Aking kamay na nanlamig, palad mo ang nagpainit, tila'y naging prinsesa sa iyong pag-aalaga. Palagi kong nababanggit sa'yo, nasuyan ako't naiipit sa mundo. Napakabilis ng takbo, ngunit ika'y nandyan, kaya nakakayanan. At ang pag-ibig mo gunita sa puso ko. Teka lang, wag ka munang mag-isip sa aking balikat, sumandal at umidlip. Teka lang, ibabhalot ka sa yakap ko, huminga ng sandali, dito ka sa aking tabi.
You're about to see an original Filipino music video by C Major 7, Brad, Bobby, Nico, Maan, Maurice. C Major 7, the new band rising.
In these times, there are many young men and women who have rebelled against their homes and their families. Despite that, there are still parents who love and support their children. They cling to hope that someday they will be able to reconcile with them. This is a tribute.
Sun touch your face and true joy within their smile. They say, my child, I'll always love you. Your hands reach reach out for them as they held you in their arms. They say, my child, will never leave you.
Well, it has come to my attention, the kids of my generation have joined the revolution and built them strong ideals on equality and freedom, liberty and justice against their fathers and their mothers, sisters and their brothers. They say it's my right to do what I want to do, to go where I want to go, to say what I want to say. Do's and don'ts are in cages, and respect is like religion where I worship no condition. But this is my right. I believe in equality, the right to talk back. I believe in liberty, no need to say where I'm at. I am my own person and don't have to be told. I'm just being me. Are you trying to stop that?
The sun touch your face and true joy was in their smile. They say, my child, I'll always love you. Your hand reached out for them as they held you in their arms. They say, my child, I'll never leave.
Yo, child, did you know somehow or feel that your father and your mother labored every single day, earning bread for you, child? They say will not betray their love. They express it through providing your needs and wants. Sometimes they'd rather spend their fruits of labor on your toys and fun. But then, when they ask for little things like spend some time or make a call, you start to whisper in your head, how annoying can they get? I'm sick and tired of their lessons and affections always labeling me wrong, wrong, wrong. Silence! Well, it's time to hear their side. They never meant to hurt you, and they also make mistakes, but always love you. But you the things you want and guided you through every struggle. And even if you bound up them to yourself and your friends, you're still their child, their blood. Are you loving them for real? Do you kiss them on the cheek goodnight and thankful that they provide what they can? Understand that despite their own struggles, they still do love you when they wish that you don't go through the same mistakes and struggles that they had. You will have a better life than theirs. But if you are unafraid of their sacrifices and the life they gave to you, you might as well not deserve it.
Make your stand, but still care. Open up, they'll understand you. They're your blood and always there. When you need someone to turn to, try to see the world in their eyes. No matter what you do, they'll be there for you. The sun touched their face as you held them in your arms. You said, Mom, Dad, I'll always love you. Their hand reached out for you as you held them in your arms. You said, Mom, Dad, I'll never leave you. The sun touched their face as you held them in your arms. You said, Mom, Dad, I'll always love you. Their hand reached out for you as you held them in your arms. You said, Mom, Dad, I'll never leave you.
You're about to see an original Filipino music video by C Major 7, Brad, Bobby, Nico, Maan, Maurice, C Major 7, the new band rising.
Daig pa ng inaasam at ng minamahal niyang syota. Lagyan mo na lang ng palaman, sold na lahat mo na problema. Hindi na ako maghahanap pa ng iba. Maghihintay pa rin ako kahit mahaba ang pila. Malambot mo na kalooban, ang sarap ng iyong tamis. Pag ika'y nasa harap ko na, hindi kita matitiis. Ang init na iyong taglay, nakakagana ng buhay. Daig mo pa ang donut o ang monay, akin ka lang. Pandesal, kinukumpleto mo ang araw ko. Hindi ako magsasawa sa'yo. Di bale nang nasunog ka, tatanggapin pa rin kita. Hindi na ako maghahanap pa ng iba. Maghihintay pa rin ako kahit mahaba ang pila. Malambot mo na kalooban, ang sarap ng iyong tamis. Pag ika'y nasa harap ko na, hindi kita matitiis. Ang init na iyong taglay, nakakagana ng buhay. Daig mo pa ang donut o ang monay, akin ka lang. Pandesal, hindi na ako maghahanap pa ng iba. Maghihintay pa rin ako kahit mahaba ang pila. Malambot mo na kalooban, ang sarap ng iyong tamis. Pag ika'y nasa harap ko na, hindi kita matitiis. Ang init na iyong taglay, nakakagana ng buhay. Daig mo pa ang donut o ang monay, akin ka lang. Pandesal,
LSS ka na ba sa mga kanta ng banda naming C Major 7? O gusto mo pang mapakinggan ang iba pa naming musika? Subscribe na sa YouTube channel namin. Just search CM7 MVP.
Ang sarap talaga tumulong sa mga orphans, no? Ang saya-saya. Nico, ano yung pinakamasayang na experience mo?
Ang favorite part ko dun, yung nagluto ka tapos nakisalo tayo dun sa mga orphans. Ang saya pala nun!
Pero ako, pinakagusto ko talaga yung nag-jamming kayo kasama yung mga bata. Yung kinanta niyo yung tuwe-tuwe.
Saya nga nun.
Ikaw, Brad?
Yung paborito ko dun ay...
Teka, bakit parang lumilindol? Tapos, dumidilim yung langit. Tignan nyo! May ilaw! Parating dito! Ayun na! Uy, guys! Si Master
kailangan siyang importante sa atin.
Sige, tatanong ko siya kung anong kailangan niya sa atin.
Okay.
Bossing! Tuwe.
Ano sabi niya?
Sabi niya, yung mga orphans, ina-attack ng mga malalaking murangga! 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 Ano yun?
Kailangan natin sila tulungan! Nakakatakot yun!
Hindi ko rin alam kung ano yun. Pero, siguradong kailangan talaga tayo ni Master E. Sige, sabihin ko na, sasama tayo sa kanya at lalabanan natin ang mga murangga.
Sige, tara!
Sabay-sabay tayo! 1, 2, 3! Do it!
Do it!